Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to explore a very relevant and thought-provoking topic through a role play. The topic is AI in hiring. So, in recent years, organizations have increasingly adopted artificial intelligence in their recruitment process. So, from screening resumes and shortlisting the candidates to conducting the initial interviews, AI-powered tools are helping companies to save time, to reduce the cost, and improve the efficiency. So these system can process thousands of applications in seconds and identify the candidates based on predefined criteria. So making hiring faster and more streamlined. So however, while AI brings efficiency, it also raises important concerns about fairness and bias. So AI systems are trained on historical data, and if that data contains biases, whether related to gender, ethnicity, education, or background, the system may unintentionally replicate or even amplify those biases. So this creates a critical question, which is, are we making hiring more efficient at the cost of fairness? So using these, my students are going to play a role play about this topic, which is AI is in hiring.
Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the AI in hiring. Introduction under how bias enters AI. Introduce topic. AI in hiring, bias versus efficiency. Company uses AI resume screening to save time and effort. Case. System start favoring certain demographics. AI is not naturally fair. It learns from data, which means the historical data. Past hiring data may be biased. Imbalanced data, some groups overrepresented. Future bias, name, college, location, reveal demography indirectly. Developer bias. During model design, conclusion, AI reflects the bias present in the world. Bias enters machine learning model mainly through data. AI system learn from historical data if past hiring designs were biased. For example, preferring candidate from certain college, gender or region, etc. The AI will learn and repeat the same pattern, that is called a historical data. Also, developer bias plays a major role in the AML field. The way programmer design, train and learn the model can uncertainly introduce performance. So even though AI appears naturally, it actually reflects the bias present in the data and the design behind it. Remaining topic, my friends will explain it further.
Hello everyone, I'm Parvati and I'm going to talk about, can AI be truly unbiased? Okay, so the question is, can AI be truly unbiased? Should companies fully rely on AI? The answer is, the honest answer is not completely. AI is actually created by humans, trained on human data and used in human systems. So some level of bias is almost unavoidable. However, AI can be made less unbiased than humans if designed carefully. Unlike humans, AI decisions can be measured, audited, and can be improved. But should companies fully and completely rely on AI? That is the answer for that is no. Because AI should be used as just a support tool rather than making it a full decision maker. So people say that AI is not a final decision maker. Hiring involves understanding human qualities like creativity, communication, attitude, and if a new problem comes or if there is a team collaboration, then how can they handle? All these things are only possible if there are human working empowerment. Now, there are things that AI cannot fully judge from a full risk. So if companies rely only on AI, they risk rejecting talented candidates just because they don't know the matching patterns. So this can happen. So therefore, the best approach is human plus AI. Humans should be the main base and AI should be a collaborator. So where AI shortlists candidates and humans make the final decision. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Jaydani. I am going to speak about ways to make hiring fair and transparent. Use diverse and balanced training data. Perform regular bias and audits and fairness testing. Use blind recruitment, that is remove name, gender, location. Implement explainable AI. It shows reasons for decisions. Ensure human oversight every hiring stage. Continuously retrain model with updated fair data. Final point, AI should support equality, not repeat discrimination. Thank you. First, they must use diverse and balanced training data that represents all demographics equally. Second, companies should regularly perform bias audits on the system to check whether it is unfairly favoring certain groups. Third, use explainable AI. The system should be able to explain why a candidate was shortlisted or rejected. This increases transparency and trust. Fourth, remove unnecessary features like name, gender, or location from resumes before screening. This is called blind recruitment. Finally, there must be always human oversight. Humans should review AI decisions and correct mistakes. In conclusion, AI can bring efficiency to hiring, but fairness must always come first. Technology should support equality, not repeat past discrimination. Thank you.